name's Lewis. I'm one of the directors and the registered builder at Broadwater Builds.
I'm Nathan Drybergs and project manager, director for Broadwater Builds. We started up the company about 5 years ago.
So Broadwater Builds is a building company that specialises in new homes and renovations. Not only are we a custom home builder, but we cater to a wide variety of clients, no matter what their budget. So we offer very competitive pricing across all of our building projects, be it a new home or a renovation.
Clients come to us with designs or an idea, a dream for a home, and we work with them on developing those designs. It's that custom boutique clientele.
Hi, I'm Marcus, and this is my partner Jackie, and we went with Broadwater Builds for the construction of our home. It felt like a very close relationship from the get-go with Broadwater. We didn't feel like we were just another number. We felt like at the time we were the only client that he had. That was quite a unique experience. So we were very happy with the finished product. We had a pretty strict budget, did expect to not be able to achieve what we desired in certain areas, but really the overall outcome couldn't be better. We're really happy with what Broadwater has produced for us.
We do all sorts of renovations. We do extensions from existing homes, complete gut-outs of existing homes, upgrading bathrooms, laundries, kitchens.
We deliver a first-class personal service, and we believe that's one thing that sets us apart from other builders.
We have fantastic trades and suppliers that we rely upon, and we're always there making sure that that quality and expectation is being adhered to in our builds.
One of the reasons clients choose us is because of our communication skills and the relationships that we form with our clients.
From the design to the tendering phase, you'll see our transparency with our scope of works.
We provide really detailed proposals to our clients.
It's really making sure that the client is involved in the process.
In meeting the guys from the Broadwater team and their associated trades, we had a positive experience throughout. Everyone was more than helpful and offered advice on even the smallest 1%ers of the house.
They're going to get a quality home or renovation at the end of it. If they raise any concerns or any issues, we're there holding our values as a company, making sure that we deliver on that.
Our focus is always to keep our clients happy, and because of the service we provide and the values that we stand by, it ensures that our clients are always satisfied.
Definitely would recommend Broadwater Builds and have already done so. Yeah, we're very pleased with their product and their service.